Hey everyone, welcome back to ForexCracked, where we dive deep into the world of trading, investing, and personal growth. Today, we're talking about one of the most critical aspects of Forex trading, staying motivated and consistent. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, stuck, or just plain exhausted from the ups and downs of the Forex market, this video is for you. So, let's get right into it. First things first, you need to set clear and realistic goals. When I say realistic, I mean goals that are attainable given your current level of knowledge, time commitment, and risk tolerance. Set daily, weekly, and monthly goals, whether it's a specific percentage gain or simply sticking to your trading plan without deviating. These smaller, achievable goals will keep you motivated as you hit each milestone. Consistency is key in Forex trading. Develop a daily routine that includes reviewing the market, preparing your trading plan, and setting your mindset right. The more structured your routine, the easier it will be to avoid emotional decisions and stay focused. Remember, consistency builds habits, and habits build success. Forex trading is an ever-evolving field. To stay motivated, make sure you're constantly learning and adapting to new market conditions. This could mean reading books, taking courses, or even following experienced traders who share valuable insights. When you continuously improve your skills, you stay motivated because you're actively becoming better and more confident in your trading strategies. Trading can be a roller coaster of emotions. Fear, greed, excitement, these can all cloud your judgment. To stay consistent, it's crucial to manage your emotions effectively. Meditation, journaling your trades, and taking breaks when needed can help keep your mind sharp and focused. Remember, trading is not about chasing profits. It's about managing risk and following a plan. Don't trade in isolation. Join a trading community where you can share ideas, discuss strategies, and get support when the going gets tough. Being part of a group can provide accountability, which keeps you consistent. Plus, it's motivating to know others are facing the same challenges as you. Finally, celebrate your small wins and learn from your losses. Not every trade will be a winner, and that's okay. The key is to review what went right or wrong, adjust your plan, and keep moving forward. Celebrate your progress and use losses as stepping stones to improvement. To wrap up, staying motivated and consistent in Forex trading is all about mindset, discipline, and continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on mastering the markets and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.